wheels. Go ahead, Ray. Show them what we got. Ooh, man, that looks so good already. Oh my God. These are so beautiful. Look at that concave. That is what I'm looking for right there. I love 5-spoke. That's my favorite thing. With this type of concave, it's just gonna look hot fire. What'd you think?
Hell yeah.
Tony showed up. He wants to see the rears.
Yeah.
Let's see. The fronts are 18 by 9 with a sick ass concave of plus 12. These are 18 by 9.5. Oh, actually I lied. 18 by 10.5 plus 25, I think. So these are gonna be deep too. Oh man. Nice. Look at that. That's gonna be amazing. This is what the wheel's gonna look like just on there. I'm pretty excited. That looks awesome. And it's a 10.5, so it's kind of pretty close there. But it's awesome. Like, that's enough. Let me show you. You can see from back here, plenty of room. And this is what it's gonna look like to the fender. That's amazing. It's the perfect offset, perfect size. 18, 10.5 plus 25. That's all you need to know. Let's put our new KENDA KR20A tire on our new wheels.
Perfect.
Oh, these wheels and tires look so good on this car. I'm so excited. That's a perfect tire for a 10.5 wheel. Look at that. It's perfect. Perfect. I'm excited for that to come in there. But anyways, I gotta finish the body and then we can go from there. Finally got to put the wheels on the Z and they look amazing, just like you'd expect. Got my new stickers on there. My new CARBYNE design sticker. This is with the GK Tech angle kit, obviously, and they fit great. They're perfect offset. I do have a spacer in the front. I believe it's 30mm, and that is a 18 by 9 plus 12 with a 30mm spacer to make it clear the GK Tech angle kit at lock, which that's not full lock. I don't like to keep it at full lock because it stresses the rack out for no reason, but it looks great. I love the thread on the KENDA tire. It's like a racing type thread. Looks good. It's attractive. I just got to figure out what color I want to paint the car so that it matches the wheels and it's not a million colors. But that's coming up in the future. This car runs and drives really good, so we're just gonna have fun with it for now. There's some drift events coming up and we'll figure out paint later. The S13 needs more of my attention. The rear is an 18 by 10.5 plus 25, I believe, and it literally fits perfect in my opinion. No spacer. It's awesome. I have, I believe, plus 0.25 camber, so that's why it sticks out a little bit like that, and it's perfect. It squats right in there and I don't have any issues. You could run a small spacer if you wanted some like wide body stuff, but I like it where it's at right there. Now that I've told you guys about the wheels and the tire sponsorship with KENDA, I'm super excited about. I also want to tell you guys I have a new for fun drift schedule I have created, and it's going to be all over the US. We're going to go drive to different places and just have fun, and if you're there, come say hi. It'll be awesome. Planning on going to Grid Life Midwest, planning on going to LSFS Kentucky, planning on going to Spirit JP in Virginia at some point, doing East 10 round, just a bunch of different tracks. I will let you guys know the schedule when it is finalized. What is next for the 350Z? Well, I still have the GK Tech lower control arms that I really want to talk to you guys about, and I want to show you when I install them. I haven't had time to do it. It's kind of been on the back burner because car drives, but I will do it. I'm pretty excited about that. I want to talk to you guys about the live caster and the stock design and why the lower control arm, it is so necessary. It works, the stock design works with just that little GK Tech angle kit they have. It's amazing to get a little bit more angle and still drive your car to work. But if you're gonna be a little bit more dedicated into drift, the live caster just doesn't cut it. And I wanna explain more about that in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. Pretty excited for that. I just need time. In the next video, I'm really excited to talk about my next move with the G35, which a lot of you might not think I still own, but I do. I took the tag from the G and I put it on this car so I could drive this around and have fun on the street. But I can't afford that many tags or insurance, so I only have one at a time, and I can swap them out back and forth, but this has been working, so I've just been using this. But the G, I still have it at home. It still runs and drives. It's still fine. It needs to paint. The paint's still done. I have to paint. I need to just get on that. I just know that it's more of a delicate job. It's going to take time and concentration, and I'm not there yet. But that's going to happen, and then I have big news coming about that car that I wasn't planning on doing this year, but I'm glad it came through because I've been trying to do this for 3 years since I've owned that car. I'm super excited to talk to you guys about it and show you the new stuff I got for it. That's going to be in the next video, I think, or the one after the next. It's around here. I want you guys to keep watching and liking and subscribing. I'm sorry that it takes me so long to upload and all this stuff, and I really appreciate all these positive comments and the positive feedback I've been getting from you guys about, hey, we're here for you as long as you keep uploading, and I really appreciate that. I'm gonna keep trying hard and hard. I have a lot of stuff coming. I'm managing like 5 projects right now. The van is a project too, yes. Anyways, thank you guys for liking, subscribing, following, giving me positive feedback, and you know, if you have other feedback, constructive criticism, I'd like to hear it too. Don't be too harsh on me, but I will listen to it. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, sharing. Goodbye.
Perfect.